that bit of acting. Why has the telly gone quiet? We're in the middle of watching the football here. Why has the telly gone quiet? Has anybody seen the remote control? You sat on it? I'm not touching that now after you sat on it. You still sat on it? Turn the sound on. You have to do it with your bum if you sat on it. Look. Oh, God. Where's the gloves? Yeah. Yeah, you can do it. I'm not touching it now after you sat on it. Yeah. Turn the telly up. I'm not doing it now. Oh. Oh. Look what, turn the telly up. Still can't hear it. You've turned it over. The football we want. What am I watching now? KERRY. Oh, God. It's only the European Cup of work we're messing like. What the hell is that on the telly? I've never seen that before. Aspect Radio. 16.9. I think it's the wrong channel there. Oh, here we go. Quick, it's gonna score. Quick, put it on.
You're on.
That's it, you got it on now, yeah? Cool, that's great. Put the sound up a bit. No.
Okay.
That's it, that's a lot better. Well done. Well done, KERRY. Right, we're going to watch the football now. I hope you enjoyed our little sketch. You enjoy it? You have a laugh? Have a ball on. KERRY. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Another little sketch by KERRY and Dad. Glad you liked the last ones. Let's go, amigos.